To optimize AWS Amplify sign-up flows, start by understanding the importance of a seamless user experience. A well-designed sign-up flow can significantly impact user engagement and retention. Begin by setting up AWS Amplify and configuring the authentication module, which provides a pre-built sign-up flow. The first step is to customize the sign-up form to collect the necessary user information. Use the Amplify Auth UI component to easily integrate a sign-up form into your application. Ensure the form is concise and only collects essential information to avoid overwhelming the user. Next, configure the authentication settings to meet your application's requirements. This includes setting up password policies, such as password length and complexity requirements. You can also configure multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. To further optimize the sign-up flow, use AWS Amplify's built-in support for social media and OpenID Connect authentication. This allows users to sign up with their existing social media accounts, reducing the amount of information they need to provide. Another key aspect of optimizing sign-up flows is handling errors and exceptions. Use Amplify's error handling mechanisms to catch and display user-friendly error messages, making it easier for users to recover from errors and complete the sign-up process. Finally, test and monitor the sign-up flow to identify areas for improvement. Use AWS Amplify's analytics and reporting capabilities to track user behavior and identify bottlenecks in the sign-up process. This data can be used to make data-driven decisions and optimize the sign-up flow for better user engagement and conversion. By following these steps, you can create a seamless and efficient sign-up flow with AWS Amplify, improving the overall user experience and driving business success. Remember to keep the sign-up form concise, configure authentication settings carefully, and leverage social media and OpenID Connect authentication to reduce friction and improve user engagement.